Mental states are a complex and fascinating aspect of human psychology. In this essay, we will explore how the present perfect tense can be used to analyze recent mental states. The present perfect tense is a verb tense used to describe actions that have been completed in the past but have relevance or significance to the present moment. One common use of the present perfect tense in psychology is to describe recent emotional experiences. For example, someone might say, "I have been feeling anxious lately," to indicate that their anxiety is a recent occurrence that is still affecting them in the present. Similarly, someone might say, "I have been feeling happy since I got a promotion at work," to describe a recent positive emotional experience that is still impacting them. Another way the present perfect tense can be used to analyze recent mental states is in relation to past traumas or experiences that continue to impact a person in the present. For example, someone might say, "I have been struggling with depression since my divorce," to indicate that their depression is a result of a past event that is still affecting them. This use of the present perfect tense highlights the ongoing nature of certain mental states and their connection to past experiences. Furthermore, the present perfect tense can be used to describe recent cognitive processes or thought patterns. For example, someone might say, "And I have been overthinking things a lot lately," to describe a recent tendency to dwell on negative thoughts or worries. Similarly, someone might say, "Oh, I have been practicing mindfulness every day," to indicate a recent change in their cognitive habits that is still ongoing. In conclusion, the present perfect tense is a useful tool for analyzing recent mental states in psychology.